people, have you ever seen a jellyfish floating inside a bottle and magically sinking when you touch it? Let's make our own magic jellyfish diver. For this, we just need a foldable juice straw, paper clips, scissors, and a water bottle filled with water. Take a foldable juice straw and cut it into two pieces. Now attach a paper clip to the cut straw as shown. Then add 2 to 3 more paper clips one after the another to give it the perfect jellyfish shape and balance. Carefully drop your tiny jellyfish into a water bottle filled with water and close the bottle cap tightly. Look at that. Your mini jellyfish starts floating inside the bottle. But wait, the real magic starts now. Gently press the bottle, and wow, the jellyfish slowly swims down to the bottom. Release the bottle, and it floats back up like magic. So, how does this magic jellyfish work? When you squeeze the bottle, the water pressure increases and compresses the tiny air trapped inside the straw. This makes the jellyfish heavier and denser, so it sinks. When you release the bottle, the air expands again, making it lighter, and the jellyfish floats back up. That's the amazing science of pressure and buoyancy in action, turning a simple straw into magical swimming jellyfish.